Hi children, now we are going to see about measuring mass or weight. Weights of objects can be measured by using different devices. Some objects can be measured or weighted by observation. For example, pumpkin, apple. Pumpkin is heavier than apple. This we can say by observing these things. Similarly, bicycle and car. From these two, bicycle is lighter than car. This also we can say by observation. But see here, pumpkin, jackfruit. We cannot say which is heavier and which is lighter by observation. In this case only, we have to use the weighing machine, that is pan balance. This we can see in the provisional stores and supermarkets to measure the weight of the objects. These are measuring stones which are used to measure the appropriate measures of the things. This varies from small to large. Unit of weight. The small unit of mass is gram. It can be represented as G. The small unit of mass is gram. It can be represented as G. The bigger unit of mass is kilogram. It can be measured as kg. See here children, 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams. 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams. In this gram and kilogram, if you want to convert kilogram to gram, that is from down to up, we have to add zeros to the right. In the same way, if you want to convert gram to kilogram, that is from up to down, we have to use simplification method. For example, a baby weighs 3 kilograms. How many grams do the baby weigh? Now the weight of the baby is given in kilogram. We have to convert it to the gram. That is, kilogram to gram means from down to up. So we are adding zeros to the right. 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams. 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams. So in the question they have given 3 kilograms. So 3 kilograms equal 3 into 1000 grams. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 grams. 3 kilogram equals 3 into 1000 grams. 3 into 1000 is 3000 grams. So 3 kilogram equals 3000 grams. The weight of the baby is 3000 grams. A tree weighs 2222 grams. How many kilograms do the tree weigh? A weight of the tree is 2222 grams and we should convert the weight into kilograms. Here we have to convert from gram to kilogram, so we are using simplification method. 1000 gram equals 1 kilogram. 1000 gram equals 1 kilogram. In the question they have given 2222 grams. This we can separate and write 2000 gram plus 222 grams. We already know that same units can be added or subtracted. So we are separating and writing 2000 gram plus 222 grams. In this, we are using simplification method, that is 2000 divided by 1000 gram plus 222 grams. 2000 divided by 1000 grams plus 222 grams, because 1000 gram equals 1 kilogram. So we are dividing by 1000. 1000 gram equals 1 kilogram. So we are dividing by 1000. 2000 divided by 1000 is 2 kilogram. 2 kilogram plus 222 gram. See the units, children. It is kilogram and gram. So we can't add. We are writing as it is. 2 kilogram, 222 gram. So 2222 gram equals 2 kilogram, 222 gram. Thank you.